welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Paleo Honey Sweetened Lemonade. It's super quick, super simple, so let's get started. I'll show you everything you need. The great thing about this lemonade is that there's no refined sugar in it, no cane sugar at all. It's just honey that sweetens it, so it's a lot healthier for you than store-bought lemonade. Here's a look at everything we need. Today I'm using 7 lemons. You can use more or less depending on if you want more or less lemonade. I've washed them. We're also going to need honey because we're going to sweeten it with honey. We're going to need about 1/2 cup of honey, so I've got my 1/2 cup measuring cup. We're going to need a pinch of salt, so I've got my measuring spoons to measure that out. Got my 1 cup measuring cup to measure out the water we're going to be adding to the lemon juice. I've got my juicer here. It's just a simple juicer that catches all the juice in the glass jar underneath. Got my container to store my lemonade in and a spoon to mix up all of my ingredients. Last, I have my cutting board and my knife to slice my lemons in half. When you slice them in half, you're going to cut them down the middle this way so that they can go on top the juicer and you can squeeze out all the juice real easy. I've got all my lemons sliced in half. Now we're going to start the juicing process. So here's how much lemon juice I got out of all those lemons. I'll measure it real quick and tell you how much that is. Just under 1.5 cups of lemon juice. Now we're gonna add 8 cups of water. Alright, here's our honey, and we're definitely gonna need a spoon to scrape that out with just to get every last bit in our lemonade. Now we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix until all of our honey is stirred really well into our lemonade. And that's it. There you have it. It's your honey sweetened lemonade. Let's go have a taste. Make sure you store your honey sweetened lemonade in the refrigerator. It tastes the best when it's served chilled. You can add a couple ice cubes to it too and enjoy. Okay, I'm here with Gabriel, our famous taste tester. He's gonna taste some of our honey sweetened lemonade for us. Here we go. What do you think? Tell him, is it good? Tell everybody what you think. Is it yummy? Yeah? Alright, I'll put some in a sippy cup for you later. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you liked it. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this recipe with anybody you think might like it. Bye! Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye! Good job! Okay.